Imagine this. What takes the Earth nearly 1 billion years to create, China can now produce in less than a week. We're talking about diamonds, but this is much more than just jewelry. This breakthrough represents a technological leap that could redefine sustainability, challenge harmful mining industries, and even reshape the global energy landscape. In today's video, we'll explore how China's lab-grown diamonds are changing the world, why traditional mining threatens our planet's future, and how these innovations tie into China's larger quest for alternative energy solutions. Stay tuned, because this is more than just science. It's a glimpse into the future of humanity's survival. Let's start with the problem. For centuries, mining has fueled our progress, but it comes at an enormous cost. Fossil fuels remain our main energy source, yet the way we extract them is destroying ecosystems, draining resources, and accelerating climate change. Mining doesn't just scar the earth, it uproots communities, poisons rivers, erodes soil, and strips forests bare. What's worse, this destructive cycle doesn't end with fossil fuels. The same environmental damage applies to precious resources like diamonds, gold, and rare earth minerals. The irony? These very practices, intended to power and enrich human civilization, may end up undermining our future. But humanity isn't standing still. Around the world, renewable energy solutions are gaining momentum. Solar panels are spreading across rooftops, and massive wind farms are spinning along coastlines. These aren't just futuristic experiments anymore, they're mainstream solutions. Solar is now the go-to choice for homes, while wind power supports large-scale energy grids. Together, they represent hope for breaking our addiction to fossil fuels. And yet, as promising as they are, renewables still face technological limits: storage, efficiency, and cost. That's why nations like China are also investing in entirely new approaches, including lab-grown diamonds and alternative nuclear technologies. And this brings us to one of China's most stunning breakthroughs: synthetic diamonds. The natural process of diamond formation takes nearly 1 billion years deep inside the Earth. That rarity, coupled with global demand, is why diamonds are among the most valuable gems on the planet. In 2024, global production reached an estimated 118 million carats. But here's where China rewrites the rules. In state-of-the-art laboratories, Chinese researchers can grow diamonds in under a week. In 2022 alone, China produced 20 million carats, and that number is rising fast. According to reporting from Sixth Tone, nearly half of all lab-grown diamonds worldwide are produced in China, with 80% of that production concentrated in Henan province. And this isn't just about jewelry. These lab-grown diamonds could revolutionize industries, from electronics and optics to clean energy. Why does this matter? Because lab-grown diamonds aren't just beautiful, they're sustainable. They don't rely on destructive mining. They don't uproot forests or poison rivers. And they don't take billions of years to form. This technology represents a symbolic shift, proof that innovation can replace exploitation. If humanity can grow diamonds in labs, perhaps we can also outgrow our reliance on fossil fuels. China's breakthrough with diamonds is just one piece of a bigger puzzle. The country is investing heavily in alternative energy solutions, from solar farms and hydroelectric projects to experimental nuclear technologies. One of the most promising is SMR, or small modular reactor technology. Unlike massive nuclear power plants, SMRs are compact, safer, and more adaptable. They could provide clean power without the risks of large-scale nuclear meltdowns. China's leadership in this field is inspiring other nations. Thailand, for example, is now exploring SMR technology to achieve its carbon neutrality goals. Of course, challenges remain. Nuclear energy still carries a legacy of fear, and the storage of nuclear waste remains a pressing concern. But combined with renewables and innovations like lab-grown diamonds, the future may hold solutions that were once unimaginable. So, what can we learn from all this? The Earth takes 1 billion years to make a diamond. China takes just 1 week. This isn't just about jewelry. It's a symbol of humanity's ability to innovate our way out of environmental destruction. From renewable energy to nuclear innovation, and even the sparkling world of lab-grown diamonds, the choices we make today will decide whether our future shines bright or fades into darkness. What do you think? Are lab-grown diamonds the future of both sustainability and industry, or will tradition still hold its grip on global markets? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who loves science, innovation, and a glimpse into the future.